Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm the Money Dad, and in this video, we'll be talking about how to go from $0 on YouTube to monetizing your channel. So along the way, I'll be sharing all of my successes, all of my failures, and any lessons I learned. If starting from scratch is something you're interested in, then this is the video for you. So the reason I'm starting this channel is because after watching hours and hours of other YouTubers who started from scratch, build their channels and monetize them, I feel like anyone can do the same thing. So I've always been a big believer of being your own boss, or being able to manage your time and not be managed by other people. And so one clear way that I anticipate doing that is by making money through content creation and helping you guys to do the same thing. So if you want to learn how to start a YouTube channel and monetize it, you're definitely in the right spot. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you don't miss any of my videos and you can follow along. So I do have experience on social media as far as growing accounts and, being an entrepreneur on social media. I have made money on various accounts doing different things. So I do know it's possible to make money on social media, but now it's just a question of how can we do this consistently and how can someone like you do the same thing? I didn't grow up having lots of money. In fact, quite the opposite. And I have kids of my own today, and I just never, ever want them to have to go through what I've gone through as a kid. Yeah, working a 9-to-5 will help you, but I'm looking more for time freedom. I want to be able to do whatever I want with my kids, with my family at any given time, and not have to, rely on someone to say, yes, I can do this, or no, I can't do that. So I'm looking to monetize this channel in a few different ways. One way would be through YouTube, where you would need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which I do think is very doable. It's just going to take some work, some time, some effort, and consistency. And then the other way is through experiments. So maybe experimenting with merch, experimenting with coaching, experimenting with course creation, all that good stuff, maybe even blogs. But I want to show you guys that there is money to be made on social media, especially YouTube. So because I do have experience with social media, my strategy on YouTube is to make long form content and then break it down into smaller videos, shorter videos, and use them as YouTube shorts. And what this does is it allows people who are already following me, subscribe to me, to see the videos that I'm, already posting, the long form content, and then help me reach a newer audience by posting the shorter videos. And I've tested this before on different platforms, and it does work well. I've even used the long form content on YouTube, shortened it, and then posted those videos on other platforms, and it's also done well. So those are two main things I'll be doing to help grow my channel. And then I also want to make sure that each video that I post is search engine optimized, so that makes it easier for people to find my video and watch it. I'm documenting this journey for a few different reasons. One, I just want to be transparent with you guys so you know what it's like to start from zero and potentially grow your account to where it's monetized. The other thing is I want to share my knowledge with you guys so that you can follow the steps I took and also get your channel monetized. And the last reason is because I believe it's inspirational to show that you can start from absolute scratch and be able to grow your account and make money off of it enough to replace your 9-to-5 income. So what's the biggest challenge you face when it comes to starting a YouTube channel and trying to monetize it? Let me know in the comments. My goal is to get this channel from zero to monetized and teach you guys how to do the same. If you're interested, please follow along and see what you're capable of doing. Thank you guys for watching this video. And if you're excited about this series, please leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.